Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and I'm here with a new video, and today we're gonna discuss about job opportunity. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar if you have not subscribed yet. And if you are already a subscriber, then you know that on everyday basis we come with a new video, whether it is a job opportunity or placement preparation. So this is a really good place for you if you are a job seeker, and if you follow us rigorously, then this will definitely gonna help you get your first job. So please do like, share and subscribe if you are new, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जोहो की तरफ से जो हायरिंग है उसके लिए, एंड दे आर हायरिंग फॉर software developer and content writer. Okay, so basically there are two posts available, and for this 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022, these 5 batches are eligible. So basically 2018 बैच के लिए ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बिकॉज राइट नाउ ऑन दीज डेज every company is looking for the freshers, but no one is hiring for like 2019, 2018 these batches. So this is a really good opportunity if you are one from these batches. Okay, and if you are not from these batches, then do share this video to those who are searching for the job and from 2018, 2019 these are batches. Okay, now the year of experience they want is 0 to 4 years of experience. That means if you are a fresher, then also you can apply for this job, and if you are a experienced person and have 0 to 4 years of experience, that means your experience should not exceeded 4 years. ओके, तो अगर आपको 0 से 4 years के बीच का एक्सपीरियंस है किसी भी फील्ड में वर्किंग का, दे बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट मेंशन्ड द फील्ड वर्किंग फील्ड. ओके, सो किसी भी फील्ड में आपको वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस है 0 to 4 years का, तो भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड लास्ट डेट फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन विल बी 18th of May. सो अप्लाई एज सुन एज पॉसिबल बिकॉज यू हैव few days left now. Let's check out the job description for these roles. So the job description for software developers are: you should be doing design and develop high volume low latency applications for mission critical system and delivering high availability and performance, and contribute in all phases of the product development lifecycle, and write well designed, testable and efficient code, and ensure design are in compliance with the specifications, prepare and produce release of software components, and support continuous improvement by investigating alternatives and technologies, and presenting these for cultural review. Okay, now for the content writer, the job descriptions are as: create and publish SEO optimized, relevant or original and compiling content, and contribute to create rich content resources like articles, ebooks, infographics, and solution guides, webinars, videos, etc. to help business owners and drive awareness. Okay, now choose the best channels to improve the content, and measure and analyze content's effectiveness with metrics to improve the quality of content and implement insights in the future. Okay, so these all are the job descriptions for content writer. Now अगर आपके पास वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस है रिलेटेड टू सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर, दैट मीन्स अगर आपने किसी आईटी फील्ड में ऑलरेडी काम करा हुआ है, देन आपको ये हेल्पफुल रहेगा. एंड इफ अगर आपने इन केस ऑफ कंटेंट राइटर, अगर आपने इसी से रिलेटेड किसी फील्ड में काम किया हुआ है पहले, तो दैट विल बी एन एड ऑन टू योर प्रोफाइल. ओके, बट दे हैव एज दे हैव नॉट मैंशनड कि किसको किस फील्ड में उनको वर्क एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, तो सारे लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. किसी भी फील्ड में आपको वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है. ओके, बट एड ऑन होगा अगर आपको रिलेटेड फील्ड में वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है तो. ओके, नाउ 2018, 2019, 2022, 2020, 2021. These 5 batches are eligible for both the jobs, and they have not mentioned the graduation, like they have not mentioned any degree which are eligible. So all the graduates from these 5 batches are eligible. So do apply, because this is a really good opportunity for you all, as all the graduates are eligible, and 5 batches are eligible. Okay, so this is the bulk hiring, I would say. So apply as soon as possible. And to apply for this job, I will provide this link in the description box. You need to go to the link, and they have given the registration form here. So सबसे पहले आपको यहाँ पर अपना फुल नेम डालना है, मोबाइल नंबर डालना है, योर ईमेल एड्रेस जिस पर आप एक्टिव हैं, बिकॉज दे विल सेंड यू द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस email on your registered email ID. So do like do write your email ID on which you are active here. Okay, now the degree and department. So you these much degree are given, so many degrees are given here, but if you are one from other if you have done anything other than these degrees, then you need to choose others here. After that, your name of the college and your year of graduation, these should be these 5 years. Okay, and now applying for the role. So there are 2 role open, so you need to choose one of them. And now their years of experience. So if you are a working experienced person, then you need to choose your experience in years. And if you are a fresher, then you need to choose a fresher here. Now current CTC. So if you are a working professional, then your current CTC you should mention here. And if you are a fresher, then you should choose not applicable. Now expected CTC. So in both working or fresher, in both cases you need to choose your expected CTC. And if you don't want to choose your expected CTC, then also you can click here on not applicable. Okay, नोटिस पीरियड. सो इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल, तो आपको आपकी कंपनी में जितने दिन का या जितने मंथ का नोटिस पीरियड सर्व करना होता है, तो आपको वो चीज़ यहाँ पर चूज़ करनी है. ओके, नाउ अटैचमेंट. सो यू नीड टू अटैच योर रिज्यूमे हेयर. यू डू अटैच योर updated resume. Okay, your resume should be up to date, and then you need to submit. Click on the submit button. Okay, submit your application, and for the further process they will coordinate to you through your email ID, so be active on that. And yeah, this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates. And also share this video with your friends and family, whoever are eligible to apply. And yeah, share it with your friends and family. And also you can follow us on Instagram for quick updates and for quick solutions of your queries. Do follow us on Jobker_official, and also you can get the link in the description box. So this is all for today's video. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.